We are back with another episode, ladies and gentlemen. On today's episode, we're going to Swaffham testing in the car, and we have Pappa Tebbz coming with, well, he's meeting us there. He's going to have a shot in the car as well, because I seen a video and he said he always wanted a shot in an F2, so we're going to make that happen from today. So let's see if he bends it or if he keeps it on all fours.
You see me do? We're going Swaffham. You know where we're going. What are you asking?
What are we going Swaffham for?
I'm not fucking 5 years old.
To watch me put it in the wall.
Yeah, to watch you crash. I don't know why we're going fucking Swaffham. It doesn't get tested at Swaffham.
The only other one worth going to is Skeggy on a Tuesday.
Right. Why does Stanley not do a Swaffham?
No. They had that open practice the other week. You didn't want to go to it.
Because your car weren't fucking ready, that's why.
Why?
Yeah, fucking start making out it's my fault.
There you go.
Dick.
And we've got someone coming with us, haven't we?
Who?
We've got Pappa Tebbz.
Is he coming?
Yeah.
I seen he done his first
YouTube
banger. He done quite well from what I sat and watched a bit of it last night.
Yeah, no, he's alright.
He was doing quite well in that race. I was quite impressed with his driving.
I think he's bringing his mod stock today.
His mod stock.
Yeah, what Andrew used to do.
Oh right, they've got little, what is it, 850 Robin Reliant engines in it.
I think he's putting new rings and stuff in it, so he just wants to bed it in.
I tell you what, the way my arse is feeling, I think I need a new ring. Ooh, hello. I'm here. He's there. Following this big fucking truck. Get away! Come on! Fuck's sake.
My dad's already told me off.
Yeah.
Gave me the telling on what I must do and stuff at the track.
No wonder. We're only going for a fucking rag round.
Exactly.
Brad
rag it round.
Yeah, Brad thinks he's got to fucking nail it all the way around. Not been out for ages. Can't you big cunt, get out of the way? Fucking, yeah, you bastard.
And a bit bumper in.
Yeah, fucking truck. Oh, fuck me, that river needs well flooded, isn't it? Look at that, it's took all that field.
How can you tell when a river's flooded?
Because it's in the fucking
When
field,
it's
you
full of
think,
water.
fucker.
A river?
Just think there'll be a hosepipe ban tomorrow.
How can a river be flooded? The field is flooded, not the river. The
Oh.
river is full of water.
Alright, no, let's
the
get it
river
right.
flooded?
This.
It's the fields that are next to it that are flooded, not the river.
This is what we've got to put up with.
Well, it is.
Generation X. No, the river is overflowed.
It's not flooded, it's overflowed. You used the wrong
Overflowing.
terminology.
It's overflowing.
Right, victim Elder.
Don't start that shit with me. Fuck me, someone stole my caravan. Fucking hell, look at that, look. Oh, fucking. Look, A47 campsite just opened up. Yeah. And there's an overflowed river into your field further down if you want to go for a wee duck. Duck. Go on, say it.
Duck.
Yeah, what? Go on.
Duke of Edinburgh.
No. That's Duke.
You gotta go for a wee duck.
Wee Duke.
A wee dip in the pond.
Yeah, in Scotland we call it a duke.
Yeah, well then, I just
Let's go for a
right.
duke. In other words, let's go for a wee dip in the fucking river.
And a truck. On a dual carriageway, 60. And then on a motorway, it's 70.
Hell. A47. King's Lynn. Save me.
Got Mackies?
Can do, can't we?
I'm asking you.
If you want to get a Mackey's, we'll
I
get a
don't
Mackey's.
give a fuck.
Ah, well, we won't bother then, for fuck's sake.
Greggs.
No, you can go and stick up your ring piece.
Do you want one or not?
Get to fuck.
Yeah, we'll go
Let's
to
just
one-
go and starve to
We'll go
death.
to one at Kingsland.
Ah, we'll go to the one at King's Lynn, what, by the Shell garage.
Okay, we'll go now.
It's got a big ramp and it takes ages to get out. Look, now you're behind a big fucking truck. Right, YouTubey babies, I'm off. Hey, you know what you were doing over there? You know when you were over there? You were having a wag.
Yeah.
That's against the law, that. Is it? Yeah, grown man holding a wee boy's gun.
That's funny.
We are finally back in the car after all this time. It's time to go out, give it a quick shakedown, make sure the brakes, everything are working. And as per usual, I like to give it some sideways action, especially when it's greasy like this. probably wondering why my water temperature gauge isn't up, and you're thinking that I'm just ragging it on when it's cold, but the car just didn't want to get warm in these conditions. So we had it running for a good 5-10 minutes before we actually went on the track, so I know it is warmed up. It is working, it just didn't want to go up. Quick shakedown, we bring Pappa Tebbz into the equation.
I always get in the other side.
You know?
Hey? I've just pushed that.
I must have pillows in the back. I might put a pillow in behind me.
Once Pappa Tebbz was happy and got in the car, he went out onto the track, and I tell you what, for the first time ever driving an F2 in the conditions it's in, there was no grip at all. He starts off nice and slow, gauge where, if it's going to kick or what. It's like any car you get in, you're trying to learn what it's doing, how it's doing it, how you're going to react. And as he goes on, he gets so much more smoother and so much more faster, and it's actually nice to sit back and watch this play out, because how he started towards how he finished in this was wicked. Start to notice that his speed does start to pick up now, because after that first twitch on the first lap, he had that little twitch on, but he's just testing on what the throttle's going to do and how the car's going to react as he puts his foot down. And now he knows rough gauge, he's starting to ease a bit more and more into each lap, and like I said, it's wicked to watch him just get better and better each lap in this car, and I think he loved it. I put a microphone on him and you can hear him saying little bits in the car, but it's quite hard to hear because of the amount of wind, but I'll try and see what I can put in for you to hear.
Michael, your steering's heavier than mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
You seen it shake on it? It's got a bit of movement in it.
It just feels... My shoulders are pumped.
Yeah, you go to the gym,
I'm
you're
just
all right.
trying to grab hold of it. I nearly lost it a couple of times.
Yeah, no,
Gathered it
I
up.
was like, he's giving it some.
Yeah.
You got it though, ain't you?
Yeah, of course. Oh, cheers for that. It's brilliant.
You can have another go.
Yeah. The track's starting to dry out. You can just feel just a little bit.
A little
still
bit more
greasy,
grip.
but
Yeah.
yeah, then I'll take off, didn't they? Take my pillow out. I wasn't in the seat very well.
I tell you what, you're very adaptable. You can actually drive. I think you were going faster than Brad. I was impressed.
That's the
you know.
fastest that car's ever gone, I think.
I think it was.
Don't you start
I think
no,
it was.
fucking hell. Once the pair of them finished taking the mickey out of me, we decided to fuel the car up, get back in it and go for another blast. Now the track was sort of starting to dry out. It wasn't dry, there was a couple of little bits that were, but it was still bad conditions. Pappa Tebbz does have his own YouTube channel now as well, so I'll leave the link to that channel in the description below. Make sure you go check him out, give him a subscribe. He's got his own video on this day as well, so make sure you go check that out, leave a comment, show him some support. As you can tell, this top corner here is just still very, very greasy compared to the bottom bend, which I was just trying to have a play. Like, it was just nice to actually get back in the car, run a few laps, give the back end a nice slide. That's what I like to do. I know a lot of people will be like, well, that's not quick, but it's what I like to do, and it's my way of having fun. So it's a test stage, you know what I mean? You're out there just to have a laugh, shake things down, see what you can do with the car and whatnot. But we just thought it'd be nice just to have a shakedown, so that's what we went for, and that's our main purpose of this, is just to have a blast and see if anything needed done. That is all we have time for on today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've enjoyed it. I think Pappa Tebbz enjoyed it as well. He had a shot in the car. It was too slippy. It was far too greasy out there. It looks a mess. Gonna have to get it cleaned up now.